All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here. You've probably seen our dyno video. Well, today I'm just going to finally go over the final rendition of the inlet pipe and some driving videos so you can actually hear it paired with the RV6 turbo. This is our beautiful aluminum custom drag down pipe that we made. You can see it just goes straight down. Thanks PTP for the blanket. And you've got the RV6 turbo right here and our inlet pipe. So the video is mainly just all about the inlet pipe. I wanted to let you hear what the blow off valve sounds like on here, the sounds of the intake, how loud it is, and yeah, give us your opinion. You can pre-order these online. They're due to ship probably the end of January. They're all going to be in a race math, most likely. It's the larger size, and that does require custom tuning because it'll throw codes. I've also got our catch can, which will be released to the public pretty soon. These are vented, has two lines coming in, the brackets. I'm gonna probably have raw, wrinkle red, and wrinkle black. So we are parting this car out now. We're gonna do a couple videos, obviously driving, and then we start dismantling it and taking the K-Series out of the car. The L15, sorry, and putting the K-Series in here. So got a lot of work ahead of us. It's going to be a crazy project. But let's hop in the car, let's cruise down some streets, and let you hear the intake. All right, guys, we'll just let you hear some of the sounds of the inlet. I think you guys will like it. It's pretty sick. Some sounds, let you hear the inlet, and obviously that RV6 turbo just sounds so good. It's kind of hard to hear the inlet on the dyno, so we wanted to do an in-car one, really let you hear it. Just wanted to give you some footage so you guys can hear it. The car is actually going to be parked for a while doing our K20 swap in here, but I hope you guys like it. Next videos you'll see of the car are taking it apart and stuff, so tune in, subscribe, bringing you the world's biggest 11th gen content, and of course the world's first K20 C4 swap in 11th gen. Until next time.